I keep my head up cause my mind is on a mission. Doing what I want cause I don't need no damn permission. Make a bad quit, you know my life is never boring. Never need to walk, girl, let's go riding in the foreign. I'm not a player, I'm just smooth with it. Got a few good girls, she ain't tripping. What's up, family? It's Young Jazz and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, I'm in for a prank on my daughter and my niece, man. What we about to do is handcuff them for the rest of the day. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get them to close their eyes so I can put the handcuffs on, but that's another story. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get this prank started.
Money we promised.
Don Guillaume, I think you can help me. I'm looking for my brother.
Jay, Roro, I forgot to give y'all bracelets. Come sit down. I got y'all some bracelets.
Oh, thank you.
You gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
That's it. Okay, go get it. Stop cheating. Close your eyes.
I've been watching the Squid Game.
Close your eye, Roy. That's to you.
I see.
Put one hand out. Just put one hand out.
Put your hand down, Jay. Hold on! Put your hand up. Put this hand up. Get your hand on this one. Keep your hands back. Stop. Do not touch that towel.
I can't read.
You ain't gotta breathe. Put it on for you. You guys have been entered into the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Let me go.
Your mama called you too.
This is so great. We got a bowl like this. Mom. I'm handcuffed for 24 hours now. Look, I'm handcuffed.
Okay, well, both of y'all gonna give me my phone.
I don't feel good. I'm taking this off. Don't take it off. Don't take it off.
You can't.
It's okay. If you do, we're gonna be paying for the YouTube. Oh, you locked it. Oh, that's locked it. Ow!
Y'all gotta work together. That's how y'all work together. Can't drag each other.
I'm gonna get in the car.
We'll figure it out.
Mom! This way. Mom! Ow! Mom! What's going on? I'm tired of walking. Go. Everybody, she got his handcuffed. Please do not like this video. It ain't funny. Turn it out.
Yo, what are you doing?
Oh,
Why did you take the handcuff? Dang, she done messed it up for y'all.
what they supposed to be?
They can't go bowling.
Oh,
They came loose. They came loose. Y'all got 10 seconds to put it back on if y'all want it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, shoot now.
no, well, I bought it today.
Papa,
Let's go back to the hunt.
Whoa!
Devin won't tell me how these handcuffs.
What?
She won't tell me
They
how.
ought to learn how to get along.
Think you will?
She won't tell me how to handcuff.
What are you talking about? Y'all doing fussing?
Yep.
What y'all fussing for?
Arguing about every little thing.
Stay tied up till you learn to do that.
You heard it loud and clear. Alright, y'all, so it's 7 o'clock. We supposed to been bowling at 6 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock though, so it's straight. Everybody finna get ready to go. Got Jada and Roro in the car. About to go get my sister. Alright, y'all, we just pulled up to the bowling alley. Y'all comment down below if I should let them take the handcuffs off now. What you think, Jay? You think I should let y'all take them off now? Roro knocked out. Me and Zaysha already made it. We still waiting on Renitris, Tashiana, Aisha, and my daddy.
But
who you think gonna get here last?
Last?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I think my papa.
You think your papa gonna get here last?
Yeah, he gonna be here last. Either him or Renitris. Tashana said she was already in Dublin and Aisha was already on her way. So your daddy said he had to make a stop. And I don't know where Renitris is. But really Tashana always be late. So be between Tashana and your daddy. Who you think?
I'm gonna say.
I'm surprised we on time. Like we always.
We not
be
on
late.
time. We supposed to be here at 6.
It's 7:23, y'all. Well, that's good for Zasha to be the first one here, cause she usually the last one. So
I think it's gonna be Renitris get here last.
Your daddy. I think it's gonna be your dad.
Well, y'all, there's Aisha right there. You lost.
I ain't say Aisha.
Who said Aisha?
Nobody.
Oh.
And who was that? Oh, that ain't nobody. Oh, that's Hurt. Oh, that's Hurt, Troy.
Yeah. They go my daddy.
You lying. That's your dad for real?
Yeah.
He said he had to make a stop. I said your dad or Renitris, so.
Oh,
No, I said Tashana. I said Tashana be late. I said your dad or Tashana.
I say Renitris.
And you said Renitris.
And Jada said Papa.
You didn't say Papa. Your Papa just pulled up right there. Hold up. That is. That's not your dad.
Yes, it is.
I thought I had a BMW truck.
That is a BMW truck.
That's a. Oh, I thought it was a Benz. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it's between Tashana and Renitris.
So let's make a bet.
He's
We're
not
gonna
Renitris.
see who had to pay for this.
I left my purse at home.
You gotta figure out how to get that money because you're gonna have to pay for this or the food.
I got no money. I left my purse at home. Got none. We could bet on.
I don't bet on
That's
nothing else
Renitris.
besides that.
The Renitris. What she said?
Yeah. About to pull up. Who I said was gonna be last?
You said Renitris. I said Tashana. Exactly. Let's see.
We still waiting to see.
Let's see who pull up first. You up, Roro? You want to take them handcuffs out? You don't? Oh, they ain't coming off you. She love being with her cousin.
We should hold hands though.
Handcuff.
Who you think gonna be the last one to get here, Roro? Renitris or Tashana? Renitris or Tashana?
Who gonna be the last one to pull up?
Renitris. I think Renitris.
Okay.
Who you think, Ro? Oh, we got 2 Renitris and we got 2
Y'all
Tashana.
against us. Tashana definitely went pull up last.
Alright, so we're gonna be back when they get here and then I'm gonna let y'all know. It's 7:26 right now. Who you think gonna get here last?
Tashana.
Who you think?
Ain't coming.
Who you think gonna get here last?
Renitris ain't coming.
Who you think gonna be here last?
She said they about to pull up.
Who?
Renitris?
They finna pull up.
Who you think gonna be last?
Not me.
Who you think gonna be last?
Huh?
Oh, Tashana.
I'm gonna take these off. Look at me when I'm talking. Now hear the arguing, the fussing. Y'all know what's gonna happen, right?
Yeah.
Tell me what's gonna happen. Huh? No. What I'm gonna do? What that mean?
BTA.
So take them off. Next time they argue, it's on me. Give me the haircut.
They
You
free.
ain't gotta worry about getting them back. Who on?
Look, you just say, yeah.
I couldn't find no eggs.
Look. Ain't no flame that goes like a pitch. See that air in the middle of the phone? Go down, throw that air.
Y'all know the fuck, boy.
Hey, man, see your play name.
Ah! Come on, Sue. Oh my God. What happened? I'm done.
This man, what is? Too much spin. Too much spin.
Yeah, he like that.
It's good. It's good.
Go, Jay.
Man, shit they got serious, man.
Y'all done got serious now. Who y'all got? Who y'all been on? Sorry to tell you, he just lost the last one. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
Tracy, give my $20. Give my $20 what y'all got yesterday for that game y'all come out. What y'all got in school.
Yeah.
Never again. I got 20 more. I beat you.
Oh. You said you made him stand back up then.
20 more. I beat you. Right there. All of them right there. Me and you right there.
No, that's me and you. That's me and you.
Right there.
No. They mean you. This y'all in her together, and then that's her.
That's what I just said. You put this.
They mean it right here. They mean you by yourself.
Okay.
They mean her by herself.
I got $30 in there. $20. That's what I said. I got $20 right here. That's it. Listen. Hold on. Let me finish. This mean you by yourself regardless. Oh, that's y'all. It mean you.
Nah, remember I bet on you.
It's still y'all right there.
Yeah, it is. It is.
So let's do the same thing.
I
ain't got nothing to do with that. I'm finna wear his ass out. T-O-U. Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Jay. Boom. That's spell. Easy spell. That was go. He can't get one.
You do change.
He can't get one.
Dad said yeah.
You just open it up for me. Shit.
That's straight.
I take this spell. 18. You don't hit that, you fucked up. Chad, you fucked up, man. Oh, you got some. You hit something this time. Oh, hell yeah, you got a stick. Your head done, boy. 13 years ahead of me, because they gave you one.
No, they ain't give it up. They ain't give it up. No.
Straight down the middle.
Hell yeah, if you don't throw it right.
That's a spare right now.
Yeah.
Ah.
Boom! There it is. Hey, you take that ass back today.
Yeah. Wow.
I gotta get one. Chair right here. Did Daddy make some money today?
Yes, sir.
Look.
Look at you. Look at you.
Got their hand paw.
Look at you. Look at your nose. You see you?
It's on the side.
You see you? Yeah, that's you. What? Yeah.
What do you think it's
That's you, bro. Doing all that crying, bro.
Give me my.
Just give me my money.
Yeah.
Just give me my money.